the language is of two parts. First is حفظ الألفاظ, memorizing terms, memorizing nouns, memorizing vocabulary. You collect vocabulary, you build your word bank. Then part two is al-qawanin, the rules that govern those words. But what do most people do? They walk into Arabic and they start with the actual qawanin, the actual principles, the actual rules, as if that is the whole language. So they spend months on grammar terms and they still can speak. And I've seen people who have graduated from known marakis, known centers in Egypt that are known for being grammar heavy. And at the end of it, they still cannot speak or maintain a regular conversation. They can do a lot of breaking sentences in a paper, but they cannot speak. So what happens is that their heart breaks because it feels like nothing is moving, and that's when they quit. The correct path is build vocabulary and use it first. Then let grammar come in as a tool that organizes and sharpens what you already have. And that leads me to quote number 2 to prove this thing that I'm saying.